today's video is sponsored by Lavy Hair, and in this video we're gonna be exploring a different type of hair installment. So in the package, I received 2 packs of Brazilian straight clip-in hair extension, and the length is 20 inch, but the grams for each is 120. Also, the grade is 12A, and the hair color is 1B. Take a look at the body, from root to ends. I don't think the density is bad. And I'm running my fingers through it to see if I'm getting any shedding. So I'm going to categorize the sizes. So you have 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, and 2 extra large. You feel me? Alright then, so this is how they incorporated the weft and clip-ins together. So in order to install the weft, you have to open the clips, then place it on your natural hair and make sure that the foundation is good. Then you go ahead and close them. Yes, and that is that. Sure. So I'm using a flat iron to press out the extension, and this part is not a must because I didn't want to overheat my natural hair. I decided on pressing it out first. Did a silk press on my natural hair, and girl, don't want to overheat it. Like, this video should have been part 2, but the people that want them videos, so I'm gonna have to put it out. So I guess the next video are 2, maybe 3. You will see how I get it straight. Parting my hair to lay the extension down, but first I have to measure it to see if it's the right size, then install it. And then after, seal it by closing the clips. And for here on out, I'm gonna be repeating the same steps until I reach the front. And I think I need to say this too, don't put too much tension on your hair. And the next thing too, sure, you don't have to do it like this. You can braid your hair and then install the clip-ins. Now that I'm at the front, I'm gonna be parting out my leave out because the goal is to cover the weft, so we don't want that to be showing, peeking, seeking through, like none of that. Yo, can I tell you how much the humility was not here for my natural hair being straight? Like, tell me, girl, I can press out her hair and do it during the summertime. Oh my god, very smart, right? Even though it did last a little while, but the frizziness was real at one point. Using the pressing comb to get the edges straight. Like, I didn't want to use the edge control because I know eventually, you know, it's gonna be kinking, so that never made no sense. So I just went ahead and used the pressing comb for that part.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off.
I'm going back in with the flat iron because I want everything to be blending nicely and, you know, to get a smooth transition. I am done. Yes, this is a completed look, you know, girl outside looking natural-ish, yeah, without wig. And what I love about the clip-in is that it is very versatile and flexible at the same time. Like, you can arrange it in any style you want, and the clip-in is faster than sew-in, you feel me? With the quality, I love it, you know, it is soft, you have density to it, so yeah, I think it's a good buy. Anyway, guys, if you're interested in trying it, I will link the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.